This is a song about two girls that are becoming friends. They are bonding over things that don't feel fair in life, a little bit of injustice in the world, and what they would do if they could fly. This is If I Were a Bird.
When you look at birds, they're funny little creatures. But once they're in the sky, they look so mighty. Riding on the wind, all borders disappear, and up there in the sky, they have no fear. If I were a bird, I'd rise above what feels unfair. Up in the sky, the world seems small. Do what I want, go anywhere, because I am free. Sing like a bird, caw-caw, I'd sound my call. So far beyond and gracefully out of reach, from La Migra, Ronald Reagan, and boys who just wanna, if I were a bird, I'd shit on that. There's a Mayan bird, we call it the Quetzal, colorful and bright, a symbol of freedom. It's hardly ever seen, because if it's captured, it would rather starve to death than take another breath, and I won't let no cage capture me. If